Directions for the following 5 items. Read the following 3 pages and answer the items that follow the pages. Your answer to these items should be based on the pages only. Pages 1. In India, the segregation of municipal waste at source is rare. Recycling is mostly within the informal sector. More than of the 3/4 of the municipal budget goes into the collection and transportation, which leaves very little for processing and resource the recovery and disposal. Where does waste to energy fit into all this? Ideally, it fits in the chain after the segregation between wet waste and the rest, the collection of the recycling and before to the getting to landfill. Which technology is the most appropriate in converting the waste to energy dependent on what in the waste, that is the biodegradable non-biodegradable component, and it is the calorific value. The biodegradable component of India's municipal solid waste is little over 50%, and biomethanation offers a measure of the solution for processing this. Question number 31. Based on the above of the passages, the following assumptions have been made. 1. Collection, processing and segregation of municipal waste should be within the government agencies. Option 2. Resources recovery and recycling requires technological inputs that can be best of the handled by private of the sector enterprise. Which of the assumptions of the given above are correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option D neither 1 nor 2. Question number 32. Which of the following of the statement best reflect the crux of the basis? Generation of energy from the municipal solid waste is inexpensive. Biomethanation is the most of the ideal way to generate of the energy from the municipal of the solid waste. Segregation of the municipal solid waste is the first step to the ensuring of the success of the waste to energy of the plant. Option number D. The biodegradable component of India's municipal solid waste is not adequate to provide energy from the waste efficiently or effectively. Answer is option number C. That is, segregation of municipal solid waste is the first step to ensuring the success of the waste to energy of the plant. Basis 2. There is a claim that organic farming is inherently safer and healthier. The reality is that because of the organic farming, the industry is still young and not well regulated in India. Farmers and consumers alike are not only confused about what product are the best for them, but sometimes use the product in the way that could be harm them as well. For example, since the organic fertilizer are difficult to obtain on the large scale in India, farmers often use the farmyard manure, which may be contain of the toxic chemical and heavy of the mental of the certain of the plant of the spray of the such of the Datura floor and leaf spray have an elements of the call of the atropine. If it is the not of the applied in the right of the dose, it can act on the nervous system of the consumer. Unfortunately, how much and when it used it are not well researched or regulated issue. Question number 33. Based on the above passages, the following of the assumptions have been made. 1. Organic farming is inherently unsafe for both farmer and consumer. Statement 2. Farmer and consumer need to be educated eco-friendly. Which assumption have been given is correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2, option D neither 1 nor 2. Answer is B, that is 2 only. Question number 34. Which of the following of the statement best reflect the most of the logical and rational and practical message conveyed by the author of the message? Option A. In India, organic farming should not to be promoted as the substitute of the conventional farming. There are no safe organic alternative to the chemical fertilizer. Option C. In India, farmers need to be guided and helped to make of their organic farming suitable. Option number D. The aim of organic farming should not to be generated to the use of the profit, as there is still no global market for it. Answer is option number C. That is, in India, farmers need to be guided and helped to make their organic farming sustainable. Passage 3. Food consumption of the pattern have changed sustainably in India over the past of the few decades. This has been resulted in the disappearance of many of the nutrition foods such as millets. While food grain of the production has increased over 5 of the time since independence, it has not sufficiently addressed the issue of malnutrition. For a long, the agriculture of the sector of the focus on increasing the production and particularly the staples, which lead to the lower production and the consumption, in danger of the tradition of the crops of the grain, fruits and to the other of the vegetable, impacting the food and nutrition security of the process, and the further intensive of the monoculture agriculture practices can perpetuate the food and to the nutrition of the security problem by degrading the quality of land and water, so the food deprived through the. Question number 35. Based on the above passages, the following of the assumptions have been made. Assumption 1. To implement the sustainable development of the goals to achieve zero hunger, the goal monoculture agriculture practices are inevitable even if they do not address to the malnutrition. 2. Dependence on the few crops has negative of the consequences for human health and ecosystem. Government policies regarding the food planning need to be incorporated of the nutritional security. 4. For the presence of the monoculture agriculture practices, farm receive the substitute the various ways and the government officer remunerative price for grain, and therefore they do not tend to be considered the crop diversity. Which of the above assumptions are valid? Option A 1, 2 and 4 only, B 2 and 3 only, option C 3 and 4 only, option D 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. Answer is option number B, that is 2 and 3 only. Question number 36. A box contain of the 14 black ball, 20 blue balls, 26 green balls, 28 yellow balls, 38 red balls, and 54 white balls. Consider the following statement. 1. The smallest number n such that any n balls drawn from the box randomly must contain one pool of the group at least one color is 175. The smallest number m much such that any m balls are drawn from the box randomly must contain at least one ball of each color is 167. Which of the above statement is correct? Option A 1 only, option B 2 only, option C both 1 and 2 only, and D neither 1 nor 2. Answer is option number C both 1 and 2 only. 2. If the 0 is written as CHUR, then how player is written? Option A SOCAZT, option B SODBGT, C SODBHT, and D SODBHU. Answer is option number D SODBHU. Consider the following statement. Statement 1. A is older than B. Statement 2. C and D are of the same age. Option number 3. E is the youngest. Option number 4. F is the younger than D. Option number 5. F is the older than A. How many statements of the given above are required to be determined the oldest person or person? Option A only 2. Option B only 3. Option C only 4. Option D all of the above. Answer is option D all of the above. Question number 39. Consider the following including the questions and statement. There are the 5 members A, B, C, D, E in a family. Question. What is the relation of E to B? Statement 1. A and B are the married couple. Statement 2. D is the father of C. Statement 3. E is D's sons. And statement 4. A and C are sister. Which of the following is correct in respect of the above questions of the statement? Statement 1, statement 2, and statement 3 are sufficient to answer the question. Statement 1, statement 3, and statement 4 are sufficient to answer the question. Option C, all 4 statements together sufficient to answer the question. Option D, all 4 statements not sufficient to answer the question.